What's up, guys? It's D. Kufeld here, Dylan Kufeld here, and I'm here for another technology video for the week. So I finally set up my playlist. I updated my emblem, made it nice, no more picture, and I'm just here for another video for the week. So this week we're going to be talking about GitHub and specifically how to do a pull request. So before I jump in, I just want to explain what exactly is a pull request. It's pretty much allows for change and it's to be pushed. So let's say you're working on a project and you're not really sure. You can make a pull request and people from outsources or people that want to discuss could do some inputs and outputs and see like, hey, I agree with this, or hey, I disagree with this, with anything from like wording or to code. But today I'm just going to do a definition and I'm going to share it. So if people don't like the definition, they could say, hey, we should do this, or hey, you should go down this road instead of that. So we're going to go straight to our pull request website. So I'm going to start with the code. So we're going to hit IST 402 to get to our homepage. And we're going to look for files because all the files will have all the information we need. So we're going to click on that. And now from files, they have a bunch of gibberish, but we're going to hit glossary because that's where everyone keeps their files. So we're going to hit glossary. And this is pretty much just all the definitions that people were doing. I had a definition which is all the way down here, but I want to put it in code and not just have it like as the glossary where it explains everything because I want to write my own. So we're just going to go to the edit button. And this is pretty much the same exact page you've seen, but people were editing it and people put in definitions. So we're going to scroll all the way down. I had pass, P-A-A, capital S, which is pretty much in regards to cloud computing. It doesn't really matter what we're talking about today, but I like to specialize in cloud computing, so like I have a good understanding on it, so I have a passion to do something like pass. So I already wrote the definition. I'm going to copy and paste it. And it's just pretty much a good definition. Put some websites that like, hey, if you didn't know what it was, I'm going to put some breakers in between just, it's easier for the eye to see, in my opinion, and it's easier for the code and for people to look. So this is my file. I'm just going to name it pass. And then I'll probably do like .amt and propose file change. So now I just uploaded it. It's loading. So now it's uploaded, but now we actually have to pull the request so people are going to be able to see. So just create a pull request, pass MT, create pull request, hit it again. And that's pretty much it. Here's the link to it. And now if people want, they could go and edit it. They could review changes. I could keep it up. I could take it down. I have a lot of options to do. But this is pretty much a very basic way of doing a pull request. There's definitely more ways of doing it. I just find this is the easiest, quickest, and most efficient. So going back to my page, there would be videos each Sunday. Usually comes out towards the day or night. They're going to be done mostly on Sunday. And I'm very excited for the next couple of weeks to learn all different types of technology. I more have a background in like cloud computing and like infrastructure, but I'm very excited to do more web development as it continues. I want to say thank you guys for listening in, and I'll talk to you guys later. D. Kufeld out.